Hi, my name is Miss Losi. I will be your science teacher this term. I cannot wait to meet you all on our first day of class. First, I'm going to help you get to know me. One of my favorite things to do in my free time is run. I have participated in several 5Ks throughout the last 5 years. This hobby is very important to me because it helps me become a better me. Another hobby of mine is going to concerts. I've been doing this since I was a child with my family. We still make an effort to go to at least one show every summer. Some of my favorites have been REO Speedwagon, Chicago, the Doobie Brothers, Neil Diamond, Milky Chance, George Ezra, Avenged Sevenfold, The Guess Who, and many more. I also have a love for singing. I have been in choir for 13 years, 4 in which being in a show choir. I have performed in Disney World as well as at the Art Museum in Chicago. I attended Show Choir Camps of America for 3 years where I got to meet and work with Broadway stars. I was in the Alma Choir during college as well as a female a cappella group called Pretty in Plaid. Through this, I got to travel to Florida and Ireland. A few class rules that I have for you all are to 1. Be in your assigned seat at the start of class. You should also have your homework out on your desk, and you should be working on the warm-up. Another is that you should treat others how you would like to be treated. We need to show respect for each other. And lastly, 3, we are going to have exit tickets, which will be mandatory for leaving at the end of the class period. They will generally be answering a question regarding the lesson that was taught today. I also have a few informal class rules for you. 1. To use the restroom, you must acquire the lavatory pass from the teacher. And 2, there should be no running or yelling in the hallway. Next, I'm going to show you my webpage. I want to show you all this resource because we will be using it in the class. My webpage consists of a tab for this class to post assignments to, as well as to communicate and collaborate with myself and each other. This page also has a contact page. Your parents and guardians will be able to access this as well. To find our page, you will go under the More tab and scroll down to Science class, which is right here. When you get to the page, you will see the blog format, and that I've already posted once for you. It is just giving you a general understanding of how you will use this in the class. Parents can also stay informed through this service called Remind 101. This allows me to send a reminder text to your parents to keep them in the loop if requested. This is also a way for students to receive messages from me. It has this feature that blocks parents and students from viewing the teacher's actual phone number. A Get to Know You activity that we will do on the first day of class is called Blobs and Lines. This activity allows students to get to know each other without thinking too deeply and without the awkward moments. Students simply group up or line up in a specific order based on cards and examples. An example is to line up in alphabetical order by your first names, or to gather with people who have the same favorite school subject. I am so excited to get to know each and every one of you shortly. Have a great rest of your summer and be prepared for a fun and interesting class.